Hi everyone, this is Sebastian at KZ Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we'll be taking a look at the Durango Half-Ton 230. Now this is a fifth wheel, and quite honestly, this is probably one of the nicer fifth wheels as far as size goes, because you still get a lot that is offered on the inside. You're not having to sacrifice much, especially when it comes to space. But overall, still a very nice camper despite being roughly 26-ish feet. So we're going to go up here. We're going to see that we do have an automatic awning. You're going to have a JBL speaker inside your pass-through storage, which is actually quite unique. I think it's a great idea. This way you're able to pull up your chairs, having a great time, pop the awning, relax. And if you need anything, like set your drinks right here, whatever, maybe have a table. Right next to us we have our water heater and a low point drain, so if you need easy access to that, you got that as well. It does have a leash latch, climate package on this one. Here's your ladder that goes to the top. You have your furnace here on the back. Here you have your 30 amp. Your black and gray tanks will be sitting underneath here. And bam, your outside shower, city water connection, shut-off valves, everything that you will need is all located here in your pass-through storage. And this has an auto leveling system, which is incredibly nice and incredibly convenient as well. Like I said, if you guys have any questions at all regarding this 230, my name is Sebastian here at KZ Camperway. I'd be happy to assist you in any way possible, even if you just got questions. So we step up and in. And one of the first things you're going to notice is the layout is very unique. It does have a slide, but the couch opposes the dinette. Now in our small little Jayco 212 QB travel trailer, this is actually a very popular thing that people love because they don't want to sacrifice a couch, because a lot of times you'll see in these that you just have a really big dinette, but they want separate spaces. Or, you know, if the kids are eating and the parents want to be able to sit and just relax, you have that option, right? You have your entertainment stand up above with your speaker right there, storage right there, and your pantry. A huge pantry, a very nice one at that. I love the color scheme in here. Overall, pretty nice. And then you got your cabinetry right there. Nice size microwave. You got your 3-burner. This creates a nice little splash guard. And your oven. You got nice drawers. Able to hold plenty of stuff. Garbage can under there. More storage space. This does have a detachable hose as well, with 2 settings on it. So you can click, click, change up the water. You got your 12-volt fridge and freezer right here. So the nice part about the 12-volt is you don't got to worry about having any gas in there. You don't have to have it level when you get it started. You can start it up with ease. You can fill up your gas with, or your tank in your car, your truck, sorry, with ease. Now this couch does pull out into a sleeper, and this dinette does fold into a sleeper. And we got storage underneath each side here with bins. Okay, so we provide those. It's not something you got to buy extra. These are going to control everything inside your camper once it's on and running. Now as we step up into your bathroom, you're going to realize what a great bathroom setup this is. You got a nice toiletry closet there, your medicine cabinet, good amount of countertop space, your sink, 3 drawers. Check this out. Your shower, plenty of room in here. Now I'm 6'1". You guys are at my eye level. So we still got room to look up, and our head has room to go. I still got about 4 inches above me there. So pretty nice overall. If you were to sit on the toilet and you're wondering about the knee test, like is this comfortable? It's very comfortable. Let's close the door. So, yeah, overall, pretty nice. Nice place to do what you got to do, right? So as we go into the bedroom here, you're going to realize that the closet actually sits on a slide out, which is really nice because it gives you a good amount of space here. With your clothing rail. You got drawers underneath, so they thought about that. And you got storage up above. Storage underneath the bed as well. So check that out. And you have storage on this side with washer and dryer hookups. So this offers a great amount of livability for a 26-foot fifth wheel. You're not compromising a whole lot, if any at all. So if you guys are interested in this 230 RKD at all, it's here at Gogg's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Our phone number 507-345-5858. My name is Sebastian. Have a great day.